Out of a service call for the system not heating. We just had a pretty big cold snap up in the Pacific Northwest area, and basically this system just dropped out over the weekend. Getting out here, and when I got out here, nothing was running, and all the units had an error code CH237, which was a communication error. Got up on the roof to see what was going on, if I had any faults or anything going on up here. Got the panel off, and nothing was lit up, nothing was coming on. Got my voltmeter out and tested my power coming in right here, and I had 0 volts. So I knew pretty quickly that I had no power. This particular one does not have a fuse disconnect. It just has this little on-off power switch here. I went down below into the breaker panel and saw that the breaker had tripped, so it wasn't like off. Usually when it's in the off position, it's like all the way off to the side. This one was like right in the middle, so I could tell it had tripped. What I think happened down below, the breaker was like a 25 amp breaker, and you can see here my max fuse or breaker size is 40 and my minimum is 25, so they were squeaking by with whoever put this in, and only put in a 25. And I think right now this thing is just working its ass off with how cold it is, and tripped the breaker because I'm not seeing anything that's standing out. After I reset it, I have it running right now, and I've just kind of checked everything out. Everything seems to be working like it's supposed to. So I think right now what I'm seeing is, I think it just was really working. I mean, we're down in the single digits for an area that usually barely even dips into the 20s. So I'm gonna write it up like that. I'm gonna have a electrician get out here, put a new breaker in here. As long as the wire is sized properly and everything, I'll have the electrician just verify all that. I'm pretty sure the wire size is fine. I think it's just gonna need a bigger breaker in there, and then these guys hopefully won't have this issue happen again on the extreme weather when this thing's fully ramped up. Obviously, a lot of times this thing has probably been fine up to this point, just because when this thing is probably never full capacity with all of its heads, it has four indoor units down there, and all of them are throwing the same error code. So that's what I'm writing up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.